Independent practice for 6.2. We're going to follow our order of operations. P, E, M, D, A, S. PEMDAS. Okay. So we start with any, and we want to show work. Start with any parentheses, none. Any exponents, no. Any multiplication, division, no. Any addition and subtraction. Well, here's an addition. We got to start there. 8 plus 4 is 12. Bring everything else down. Any more addition, subtraction? Yep. 12 minus 3 is 9. My answer is 9. Okay. Let's go over to number 2. Start with parentheses, none. Exponents, no. Multiplication, division, none. Since there's only addition and subtraction, we just go right in order. 38 minus 19 is 19 plus 12. And then I do that. 19 plus 12 is 31. I have my answer. All right, let's go into number 3. Okay, now we have some parentheses. So we start with parentheses. Do that first. 3 plus 8 is 11. Then I bring everything else down. Okay, now that I'm with parentheses, I go to exponents, no exponents, then multiplication, division. I see I do have a multiplication here. 9 times 11 is 99. Bring everything else down. And once I do that, 7 plus 99, because I'm doing adding and subtracting now, is 106. 106 is my answer. Okay, let's go over here. Number 4, we have no parentheses, but we do have an exponent. So I got to do this first. 2 times 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 times 2, and that equals 8. So I do my 8. Then I bring everything down just in the same order it is. Now I go to multiplying and division. I see I have a division here. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Bring everything else down just like it is. Now adding and subtracting. 15 minus 2 is 13. Good to go. Okay. Let's go on to number 5. This one has a lot to it. But we just take a step at a time. It's not bad. Parentheses first. 2 plus 14, that gives me 16. Now I just bring everything else down just like it is. It's 11. Okay. Now, no more parentheses, no exponents. So now I do multiplication, division. I go left to right. Here's a division. So 55 divided by 11 is 5. Bring everything else down. Okay, now I check for any more multiplication or division. I do have another. Here's a multiplication. So 7 times 16. 7 times 16 equals 112. Then I bring everything else down just like it is. Then I go to addition and subtraction, and it's 5 plus 112. Is going to give me 117. Okay, let's come over here. Parentheses, none. Exponents. Ooh, I have one. 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Then I bring everything else down just like it is. Now, I have to go to multiplication, division. I see a division right here. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Bring everything else down. 125, now I'm down to adding and subtracting. 125 minus 4 is 121. Okay. Number 7. So parentheses first, right here. Once I'm in the parentheses, I have to do order of operations within the parentheses. So I do my exponents first. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be 16. Then I bring everything else down just like it is. Now, do I have parentheses still? I do. 16 minus 3 is 13. Once I get it down to a number, I don't need the parentheses anymore. And I bring everything else down. Okay, now multiplication division. I have a multiplication here, which is 8 times 13 equals 104. Bring everything else down. Now addition and subtraction. Bring those. It's 112. And that is my answer. Okay, let's go to this one. This one's really long, so this will be fun. Lots of things to think about. Parentheses first. So I have these parentheses right here. I'm going to do that first. 20 minus 8 is 12. Then I bring everything else down just like it is. That's a 3. Okay. Now I have to do my exponents, which is right here. I'm going to do that. And 4 to the third is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. Then I bring everything down, same as normal, copying very carefully. Now I have to do my multiplication and division. The first multiplication I have is right here. So I'm going to do 64 times 12. And that's going to get me 768. Then I bring everything else down. And now I'm going to do my multiplication division still. I see I have a division here. So 78 divided by 2 equals 384. Then I bring everything else down just like it is. Now adding and subtracting. Well, it's all adding, so I'm just going to go right in order. 9 plus 384 is going to get me 393 plus 6. 396 plus 6 is 399. That's a lot of work, but I'm going to get the right answer, and I don't have to repeat it, which is great. Okay? Order of operations. All right, let's do 9 and 10. Okay, Trey and 4 friends go to Tyree and 4 friends go to the movies. Each person buys a movie ticket for $7, a snack for $5, and a drink for $2. Write an expression for the total cost of the trip. Okay. 4 friends. So I could do it like this. 4 friends go to a movie. Each person buys a movie ticket for $7, a snack for $5, and a drink for $2. So it's going to be, everybody is going to get a $7 ticket plus a $5 snack and a drink. So that's what everybody's going to get, and then times that by 4. Write an expression for the total cost of the trip to the movies. Cost. Okay. So I think this should do it. So the parentheses I do first. So everybody's going to spend 7 plus 5 plus 2. So 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. They're each going to spend $14. And then I bring down my times 4 since I've done my parentheses. Now it's 14 times 4 equals 56. Okay, so the total trip should be $56. Let me just make sure I have this. Oh, I messed up. Tyree and 4 friends. So this number here is going to be 5. So it needs to be 7 plus 5 plus 2, not times 4, that's just the 4, times 5. Oops, and that should be a times. These take a little bit more thinking. So I'm going to have 7 plus 5 plus 2 times 5 total people. Okay, we did the parentheses. It's 14. Now it's going to be 14 times 5. 14 times 5 is $70. The whole thing is going to be 70. I did just the 4 friends here. That was my mistake. But once I saw it was Tyree and his 4 friends, that's 5 people. So 5 doing that is 70. Okay, let's go to number 10. The Molina family went to a concert together. They purchased 4 concert tickets for $25 each. 4 times 25. That's their concert tickets. 3 T-shirts for $15 each. 3 times 15. And a poster for 10. Plus a poster of 10. Okay, here's how I'm going to do it. So in this parentheses, I have how much they spent on concert tickets. Right here's concert tickets. Right here is T-shirts. And then here's the poster. Find the total cost. Okay, so let's do parentheses first. 4 times 25 is 100, and 3 times 15 is 45. Did my parentheses, then I bring down my plus and my plus 10. Now 100 plus 45 is 145 plus 10, and that's going to get me 155. So the total cost of the trip was $155. All right, go ahead and do extra practice. Make sure you're looking on your checklist to see which ones you need to do. It's on page 447. That's the extra practice. Okay, come see me if you have any questions. Remember, follow order of operations, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, left to right, addition, subtraction, left to right.